guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna go to Sophie's nature park and Petrin. But first let's stop for some juicy pineapple and ice cream. It's sweet and sour. It's a great combination. You should try it. After eating, now we need to go inside of Sophie's nature walk. It was very beautiful. The trees were very tall and there were a lot of plants and places so you can eat and sit. We saw a wild pineapple. And we saw a bridge and there was a small river under it. Now let's go to Petrin. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Goodbye. See you on the next video.